Hello everyone. Hello.
Hi.
I'm going to be your skipper and crocodile wrestler in the next 5 exciting days and 10 romantic nights. Before we depart, I must remind you that please remain on your seat and keep all your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat. Otherwise, the crocodiles will come here and eat you, okay? And because this is a water ride, you may get wet, so please beware of your electronic device and please supervise your children, okay? Alright, now everybody, let's look at your right side. Do you know what is this? Yeah, this is Tyson's tree house. But Tyson is now is going to travel around, so he's not at home. Maybe next time when he's back home, just take a run over there. Remember, don't swim because so many crocodiles hiding under the river are waiting for you. Alright, now everybody, let's look at the front. See, there's some elephants. Let's see what are they doing now. Whoa, it's the mother elephant and its baby. They come down to a ball. The mother elephant is teaching its baby how to use this trunk. Look, they're so cute and so happy. But don't worry, he's just a little baby. He won't get wet, okay? Alright, now let's look at your right side. Your right side, there's something you won't see every day. That's the
Here.
brown elephant. No, he's taking a shower because he's very dirty. And he loves his spray water, okay? Oh, he's so dirty. Oh no, and a cat, and it's the fun elephant. Everybody watch out, because he loves his spray water too. Hey, please stop, I don't want to get wet. It seems that he wants to spray again. Everybody get down, he wants to spray again, please! Just kidding, there's no water already. We're safe. Oh, but now we are off the main river and I don't know where we are. Let's look at your left side. See, the spider. One spider, two spiders, three spiders. They're so big. Did you know that they can jump over 20 feet? But don't worry, we are not happy away. If they jump, they'll jump over us. Okay, in number 5, we come to the children of the jungle. It is an Asian type of game measure. The middle one is the
What is
alphabet
snake?
to
Is it a
protect the
snake?
cobra to protect him. If you can't see the cobra, let's look at your left side. There's also a one. But keep quiet, don't disturb them. Otherwise they will come here and bite you, okay? Keep quiet. Go still. And go forward. Okay. Everybody, now we all relax. We are out of danger now. Look. Oh, there's so many crocodiles. We come to the crocodiles encounter now. But pay no more attention to them because most of them are sound asleep. But it seems that some of them are so hungry, so keep just inside the boat. We call them crocodiles.
Whoa.
Wait for lunch or dinner. So by your hands, okay? So put your hands outside the boat. Alright, in the behind, see, there's so many gorillas. It is the canvas of Professor Parker and Jay. But why there's so many gorillas? See what you do now. This gorilla is sleeping. Oh no, the other gorilla gone. Hey, hey, don't do the sleep, okay? It's very dangerous. Little get animal. Alright, now we are safe. After that, we are heading to the beautiful safari and we can see there's so many animals like zebra, giraffe, and elephant. Okay, now let me ask you a question. Do you know the difference between a male zebra and a female zebra?
No.
No, okay, let me tell you. The male zebra is black with white stripes. And the female zebra is white with black stripes. Can you find the difference? Actually, you can't find it because this is the same. Just kidding. The
Wow,
next
this
one, this
one is
elephant
big.
is the second big elephant in our jungle. And the most cute one is on your right side. His mother-in-law perceives that they are arguing. Okay, then let's look. What's going in the pool? Whoa, it's hippo! Everybody, please remain on the seat because I love this robot boat. They have 6,000 pounds. It's so easy to take our boat. Wow, look, he's on the inside. It's so big, it's so smelly. So everybody remember to brush your teeth every night if you want it like that. Okay, then what they do on the tree now? Oh no, they're now hit by the rhino. So that's why I told you to remain on the seat. Okay? Otherwise you'll get into the water and you'll become one of them. Okay. And then while we're going down,
This is scary.
see, there's so many scouts. We come to an area of pet hunter. But everybody, don't worry, we are not safe. But I think I'm wrong. They're at home. Everybody, get down! Keep pushing your hand. Sorry, go scared. Does anybody get hurt?
No.
Is your head still here? Show your head.
Yeah.
Very good. If you get hit by the dog, just pull it out and return it to me. Don't keep it as a souvenir, okay? We are not allowed to keep the souvenir. Alright, now we are out of danger. And we will back to the dock soon. Just follow the bus and then we can back to the dock. Nothing can stop us now. Here we go. Oh no, I'm wrong again. We cannot back to the dock. Oh, be careful. Remember to this. It seems that we come to the forbidden canyon of God. Oh, this area is by the god of fire and the god of water.
See.
Oh no, we enter this area and not escape. What happened?
Whoa.
Oh no, it's fire.
Oh,
Fire
the
is
fire.
angry now. Does anybody help me? I just take off my clothes. Oh, it's right there.
We cannot move.
Alright, now we're out of danger and we will back to the dock now.
Yay!
Safe. Okay, before we back to the dock, let's look at the outside.
Yay!
There's something you won't see every day. That's the elephant we see before. Okay, just before we back to the dock, say goodbye to the baby elephant. Bye bye, baby elephant. Okay, everybody, please remain on your seat now and keep all your hands, arms, feet, and legs, including your elbow, inside the boat. Okay, then we can back to the dock now. Our trip is finished. If you enjoyed the trip, you can remember my name. My name is Carrie. But if you didn't, maybe you can call me Mary, Susan, or forget me. Okay, now let me stop my boat first and then you can leave. Remember to use the middle exit and the back exit to leave, but don't cross my windows, okay?
Yay!
Okay,
Bye
now my boat is
bye.
completely stopped.
Bye
It's
bye,
time to
Mei
say
Mei. Say
goodbye.
bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye
Bye bye. Hope you have a
bye.
magical day in